Ayurveda believes that the skin disorders like psoriasis occurs due to two reasons. First one, the imbalance of the primary functional energy of the body called doshas. So imbalance occurring in two of the doshas, namely Vata dosha and Kapha dosha, can causes the symptoms of psoriasis. Vata dosha causes scaling of the skin and the joint pain. Kapha dosha causes itching and the discharge from the skin. Pitta imbalance also affects the skin and causes the redness and also the inflammation. So the other reason for the psoriasis condition is the accumulation of toxins or the ama in the body. So these toxins are present throughout the body, including the blood and skin. So toxins affect the tissue in the body, leading to the condition. So according to Ayurveda, main treatment plan for the psoriasis condition is focus on helping to remove the toxins and maintaining the tridosha in a balanced state. So as per the Ayurvedic classic, the treatment Shodhana therapy or the biodetoxification is the first line of treatment for the psoriasis condition. So which can be roughly correlated with the three skin complaints such as Eka, Sigma, Kidipa, Kushtaroga. So according to the famous Acharya or the Acharya Charaka, the disease cured by Shodhana therapy or the biodetoxification will never reoccur or become a chronic condition. So which highlights the need for Panchakarma therapies or the 5 type of biodetoxification process for the psoriasis condition. So first come Vasti or medicated enema. So this is not only for the cleaning rectum or colon but also to correct the metabolism and removing or the Vata dosha or aggravated Vata dosha from our body. So next step or the next line of treatment or the Panchakarma therapy is called bloodletting treatment or Rakta Mokshana line of treatment. So it is the next we can adopt in case of clear the area of impure blood and encourage the flow of healthy blood into the affected area in order to rejuvenate the skin. Next comes like Vamana Karma. Vamana Karma is also called as enema therapy, help to reduce or the restoring the healthy skin, and through Vamana therapy or the treatment mainly help to remove the toxins, especially Kapha dosha. So the medicine induced for the vomiting purpose and help to remove the vitiated toxins. I already told you, especially the Kapha dosha will be eliminated through the Vamana therapy. Next comes Virejana or the medicine induced purgation, help to remove the vitiated toxins, and specifically we can tell you Pitta dosha or the Pitta aggravated condition, we can suggest the Virejana therapy